Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you need an effective way to heat your garage, check out this heater from VENTISOL. This 7,500 watt electric heater was exactly what we needed to heat this garage bay. My husband uses this garage bay for metalworking and other projects, and it's important that it's not too cold in there when he's working. We were super impressed right out of the box how well this heater is made. It seems very solid, very durable. I like that it's pretty compact too, so it's not taking up a huge amount of space on the ceiling, but it's still really effective at heating up this area quickly. My husband is an electrician, so he was able to install this hardwired heater, and the installation was very simple and straightforward. And we had this up in less than an hour. The heater can be controlled either with the included remote control, or you can also actually push the buttons on the unit itself. The heater has a fan force design, and it really pushes out a lot of air, so you can quickly circulate that warmth all around your space. You can also just use the fan if it's warmer weather and you want to cool the area down. So we are so pleased with this garage heater. It has been easy to install, easy to use, and it's so effective at keeping this space at the optimal temperature. And that's my point of view.